Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Bybit. To do this, open up Revolut and click on crypto at the bottom. From there, click on send and select the cryptocurrency you want to send to Bybit, in this case, Bitcoin. Next, you'll need your wallet address. To get it, go to the Bybit app. On the home screen, click on deposit and then select deposit crypto. Search for the same cryptocurrency you're sending from Revolut. Select it and then choose the correct chain type. Bybit will then give you your wallet address. Copy this address, return to Revolut, and paste the wallet address into the address section. Select Wallet or Exchange. Under Exchanges, you should see Bybit. Select it. At this point, you see a confirmation screen. If this is your first time using the wallet address, you can click Save. Enter the amount of crypto you want to send and then click Review Transfer. Confirm that all your transaction details are correct, and if everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You may need to enter a verification code for security. And that's it. Your cryptocurrency will be on its way to your Bybit account. If this video was helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.